everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, it's a special print for a special reason.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Real quick, if you haven't already, I would like for you to hit that subscribe button. So, I chose this model because Zach had a Dress for Success day at school where you could dress up as what you wanted to be when you grew up. And of course, my brother chose a paleontologist. And what good is a paleontologist without a Raptor Claw? This model is called Raptor Claw by Pandelume on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. This model was printed in Hatchbox glow-in-the-dark PLA on the AM8 with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. It printed like this and used no supports. Just I hate supports. Overall, this is a really great model, and it looks really cool when it glows in the dark.
Hey, I've been looking for that.
Well, thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Zach, get back here! Hey everyone. So, when can 3 giant dinosaurs get under an umbrella and not get wet? When it's not raining. I'm done. When it's not raining.